Hello, hi, it's Liz here, and it's WhatNot Day. So this is WhatNot, WhatNot 16. Yeah, sweet 16 already, 16 weeks. It's amazing, isn't it? Yeah, so this week we're going to do this cute little concertina holder. And if you use thin enough paper, it won't bulk up too much at all. Not any more than some of the other WhatNots. So yeah. I just think it's quite cute. So let's go ahead. So you'll need 12 little 2-inch squares. Yep. So I have used this narrow double-sided tape because I just felt it was quite handy to use. But you can use the thin, you know, the glue that's got the thin applicator. I don't have that. You know, that glitter glue which you get a thin applicator for. And I see people using that. I have not taken the plunge yet to get some of that fancy glue, but who knows, maybe sometime in the future. So only 3 sides, obviously, because you want to leave the top open. And then we're just going to make 6 pockets. And I'm just going to hold the top there that's not, and just try and get that down as square as I can. So that's little pocket number 1. And like I say, I'm using really thin old book pages. So you could use vellum. And the only thing with vellum, maybe, would be that you can see the glue through. But you could also always take it to your sewing machine if you have a machine and stitch round the 3 sides. And that would give you your pockets. I'm just popping my finger in just to open them up a little bit so that when we go to attach them all to make our concertina little holder, wallet, whatever you like to call it, it just makes it easier to get in and about them if they're already kind of opened. And of course, you can always scale this up as well if you wanted like a standalone wallet. The same premise rings true for a large version of this. Right, we're halfway there, 3 to do. So yeah, WhatNot Sweet 16. I do see people joining in, and I try, if you hashtag it for just myself, Buttons for Brains, then on Instagram or on Facebook, then I probably will get to see it. I do try and catch as many as I can, and leave some comments. So that's nice to see people enjoying them and joining in. There we are. And just be careful if you do use old paper that you don't accidentally have a little tear or something. Although I do find quite often old paper, I think maybe because it's soft, it's quite forgiving. just be careful anyway, depending on what you use. Of course, you don't need to use old book. You could use any snippet 2-inch square at all. You don't even need to do 6 pockets. You could do however many pockets you think is good. Right, so let's join them up. So to join them up, we just need a strip of the tape across the centre. So you've got your pocket opening to the side. So your pocket's there on the right, and I just line it up with something on my mat so that I can get the middle. So the middle is that line there, and we're just going to put a little bit of tape down. So we'll do this for all of them. So hello to all my new subscribers. It's great to have you here. I think I've said hello to everyone that left a comment. Yeah. I got a little boost in numbers after my page tabs video, which has had quite a few views. Yeah. Right, so we've got one edge of it. Let's start joining them together. So we're just going to take the top, and again we're just going to put one on top of the other, making sure that we've got the open end on the same side all the time. This is from an old Scottish book about Scottish stories, this book, and I keep seeing words and bairn and stuff, and I'm like, oh, you don't see that in books really anymore. So you can see how this is starting to work. Let me just get in. So you could use, that's just 1, 2, 3, 4. So you could do one with just 4. If you felt that that was enough. And then this top one. So we've left one without a double-sided tape on it because it's the top one, and we just want to line, and there's a little quote from Burns, from Rabbie: "A man's a man for all that." Right, and we'll just kind of ease it out a little bit, just get it used to what it's going to be doing, what its job is. Right, I'm going to add a little bit of ink. And then we'll just add, whoops, some to all the sides all at once. It doesn't want to be inked. This is Versamagic Chalk Ink Gingerbread. Right, now we want to add a little bit of decoration to the front. On the one I've put in my book, it's tickets. I just added a ticket to the front and a little piece of, a little sticker, a little bit of washi, just to give me something to grip onto as a little handle, and then that's full of tickets. So for this one I thought we would put stamps. So we'll use a ticket that's a bit plainish, and we will stamp stamps. It's a little smidgen big. We'll just shave off a little bit. Right, so we'll stamp stamps on that, and then we'll find some nice postage stamps to put in, and then I need that for my little handle. Right, I'm just using this little cheap set and my much used VersaFine. Now, do I want postage stamps or just stamps? I think I just want stamps because it's quite obvious, isn't it, that it's postage stamps. And I quite like when I go a bit skew-whiff. It just, OP, what's this? OPQ, back in there. Stamps, there's the S still out because I knew I would need another S. Right. And we will find a nice stamp for the front. Some of these are just stickers and some are real stamps. So let's see if we can find a nice. See, I don't want to use that because that'll be hidden. Just something bright that it doesn't matter if part of it gets covered up. That's quite nice. Let's see, what else? See, this is the thing that you can spend far too long. That's quite good because then we're just getting a splash of blue without chopping anybody's legs off. Right, so Polska, I think that's Poland. And then we want our little handle just in the first one there. There we are. Perfect. And what else? Let's fill it up with some stamps. So it doesn't matter which. That's a very big one, isn't it? Let's just pull out some random ones. You don't want to really pack it full. Well, depending on what you're going to be using it for. If it's going in a journal, then I don't think you would want it too bulky. It depends how bulky you like things, I suppose. Let's just fiddle about with them and put them at a jaunty angle a wee bit so that you can see that they're in there. Okay. So that would go, I've stuck this one in because I wanted to see what it was going to be like on a page with my one that I was trying before I came on to speak to you. But this is cute too, isn't it? I'm wondering now if we should put 2 WhatNots in it. Oh no, keep that. We'll keep this for another journal. So all you do is add some glue onto the back there, and so it just goes in onto your page. And we'll just stick our finger in there and hold that on so that you can see. So do that, and then it will just go like that. Yeah. But if I put that one there, that would just be too much. It's okay with just the one, but 2 I think would be one too many in the book. Well, we could put 1 up high. Yeah, I suppose if you wanted 2 in your book, you could put them. Well, I suppose this is only a tiny book, but you could put 2 to a page. You could even just do a separate little storage card and put 4 on. Yeah, wait till I just get my... So I made these the other week, and I'm thinking, like if you had something like this, oh, that one won't come off, obviously it's stuck on, but if you made 4, you could have 4 little pockets to pull out. So you've got that in the front, and you would have that on the back. That would be cool, wouldn't it? Anyway, that's WhatNot number 16. If you've enjoyed the video, a thumbs up would be great, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.